Okay, so now we have all this laid out in an array, but there's an easier way to do it, which is to use the array function here. So you can do all of this in one statement with this, like this. Watch. Array. Actually, this should be 0. Okay, so what you do is you use the array function, and then inside this, you put a bunch of what's called key value pairs, which is just like this. Okay, you see here name, sneakers, right? This is the name of your variable, right? Name, price, category, description. That's the name of your variable, and then the value inside that is sneakers, $24.99, shoes, black sneakers, good for walking, blah blah blah. Okay, so this is called a key value pair because the key is like, in the same way that a key is like how you access your house or a lock or something like that. The key is the way you access the variable here. So you can just do this, name, and then what you do is you do an equals sign and an angle bracket to say that this is the value that goes in name. This is a little bit weird. You might not be used to this because most variables you use a single equal sign. This is just some special notation for this array. Okay, so I'm not going to do a two-dimensional array yet, actually. I'm going to do the one-dimensional array just to show you that it works. You separate these each with a comma. The last one you don't put a comma on. Instead, you close out the array with the parentheses. You see the red, it notes that it marked it, and then a semicolon. Okay, so this is now irrelevant. All that's irrelevant. We're instead going to go here, products 0, name. Because we have products 0, name, price, category, description, name, price, category, description. It all matches up. And what this does, by using this instead of the way we did it before, where we were defining each thing individually, this saves you from having to write product 0 4 times for each thing. You just write it once, and then you list everything that goes inside that. Okay, this should now work. Let's test it. Something's not working. Oh, this needs an S. So I made a typo there. It was I didn't fully change that name to products. I only had it as product with no S. So it should work now. Okay, so that works now. Any questions so far?